Hello everyone, welcome to your channel Focus on Trading. Hope you're doing well in financial markets, and if not, don't worry. I am here to give you some ideas in order to better understand the market. In the beginner's vision, when looking at a chart for the first time, somehow it seems to be complicated and no stable pattern or structure can be seen. In this moment, the trader gets confused and most of the time executes wrong orders and eventually results in losing money. So what should we do as a person who is not familiar completely with the market? Well, here are 4 very easy to learn steps that if you follow, more likely not anymore you will blow up your account and your win rate will go above 50%. Just before diving into the points, please make sure that you have subscribed to the channel and also hit the bell notification on. Step number 1. Time frame. First of all, we should determine the higher and lower time frames. So, what do I mean by higher and lower time frames? Well, for recognizing the market structure and dominant trend, we apply a higher time frame. It would be better if higher time frame is at least 4 to 5 times bigger than lower time frame. We use lower time frame to enter the market. If the higher time frame is daily, then the lower time frame is 4 hours. And if the higher time frame is 4 hours, then the lower one would be 1 hour. And if the higher time frame is 1 hour, the lower time frame would be 15 minutes. After specifying the time frame, it's time to determine the market structure in the second step. So in this step, the second step, we should know the dominant trend. Market structure categorized in 3 divisions: uptrend, downtrend, and ranged or consolidated market. The common structure of an uptrend is as the following. This is high, then we have low, after that higher high, higher low, and another higher high, then higher low. This is uptrend structure. On the opposite side, for downtrend we have low, this is our low, then high, after that lower low, lower low, lower high, and another low, another lower low, and lower high. This is the structure of downtrend. And when do we have a consolidated or ranged market? Usually when price is fluctuating between 2 horizontal lines, then it is called consolidated market. And as soon as the price comes out of any of these 2 lines, then the market is not consolidated anymore. So in this step, we identify the dominant trend. Pay attention that the 2 previous steps should be done correctly. Otherwise, in the next step, step number 3, we would not be able to properly find good positions. In the third step, our focus should be on finding breakout and pullbacks. Best opportunities are available near breakouts, whether true or false breakout. In this build-up strategy, we look for pullbacks after breakout. For better understanding this part, look at this example. Around 2000, there is a strong resistance. As it's clear here, after 3 times that price couldn't be able to pass through this level, finally by this long green candle break this resistance. Now the only thing we should do here is that expect the price to have a pullback to this broken area. Well, there it is. Through this pullback, we can enter the market now, and eventually in the last step we determine and find the proper points to enter the market. In the previous step, we found the breakout area and pullback, and the time frame was 1 hour. Now we change the time frame to 15 minutes. This area within this box is the expected pullback area, so we put our entry trigger a little above this box, and our stop loss should be located below the previous low, right here. This is our stop loss. Now, what about our target and take profit point? Well, first we look for the previous major levels or previous highs nearby the current price. If there is no highs nearby, then we use Fibonacci retracement to determine our take profit point. Let me plot Fibonacci retracement on this wave. There it is. 1.618 will be our target, and as a result, you can see that after the pullback, price touched the target beautifully. Our risk to reward ratio in this example was around 2. I think at this point our strategy now is complete, and just by following 4 easy steps you can profit with a low risk. I hope that you have found this content useful, and make sure that drop a like on the video, and to watch more contents like this, subscribe to the channel please. Have a good time, see you soon.